Hello everybody, Steve Griffiths here, developer of the MTPredictor software program. In this help video I'd like to look at how to get data out of NinjaTrader 8 and into our new standalone MTPredictor 8 version. Right, let's take the risk disclaimer down and let's open MTPredictor 8. Now actually first let's go to NinjaTrader 8. So first let's open NinjaTrader 8. Just get this opening up. Here it is opening. Just wait while this opens. Okay, we don't need that. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect to a data feed. And now I'm going to do a new Market Analyser. Alright, a new Market Analyser. Let's put some instruments in. There we go. Let's put the DAX in as well because that's trading live at the moment. There we go. Right, now we can add some columns into the Market Analyser. So what you do is right mouse click and do column. Now the column we need is our MTPredictor data feed, which is this one. So what we're going to do now is change a few of the settings to basically export some data so it's available in MTPredictor version 8. So I'm going to export some 1-minute data and then some 15-minute data. So it's 1-minute data, bars. Because it's 1-minute data and we're going to be using 24-hour charts in a second, I want to put probably 4,000 in there. On the use instrument settings, it's best to do it as 24/7. In other words, take all the data you can and then we'll filter the data for session times once we're in MTPredictor 8. Data feed, I'm just going to change the and the name of that so we can see the column, and that should be it. So here's the first column. We're going to do 1-minute data, 4,000 bars. Make sure the trading hours is 24/7, and I'll just change the label and I'll do OK. And you can see now it should start to come in a second. It's just initializing, and there you go. It's now done 4,000 bars. What's very handy is we can actually add a couple of columns in here for some different time frames. You don't have to have this because we build our charts from different time or smaller time frame data in MTPredictor, but if the data is available there, it just makes it so much easier for swapping the time frame. So here I'm just going to do 15-minute, and this time I'm going to do just 2,000. Remember we do 24/7, so there's 24/7, and just have that as 15min. So again, 15-minute, 2,000 bars, and just change the time frame and make sure it's on default 24/7 trading hours. Okay. And there it is in NinjaTrader being exported. What we can do now is we'll open MTPredictor 8. So if I just minimize that down, open MTPredictor version 8. And now let's set up a new data feed in MTPredictor version 8. I'll just bring that into the video. Sorry about that. It was a bit of a different size. So I'll just scale that so it's into the video. There we go. Right, let's go to Tools. Let's go to Connections. Let's do a new connection and I'll call it NinjaTrader 8. Now when you do the provider, you select the external app. So this is what we're doing, it's our external app. And then external app settings, the platform, you select the platform you wish to use. You can see at the moment we have NinjaTrader 7, NinjaTrader 8, TradeStation, MetaTrader 4 and multi-charts. But so we're doing it for NinjaTrader 8, so you select NinjaTrader 8 and then you do OK, and there it is as a connection. You then do OK. And now it's just the same as doing any other connection in MTPredictor. You do File, Connect, NinjaTrader 8, and you can see it's connected there, and now you can just open charts in the normal way. Let's open the ES, let's do a day session, let's do it for 3 minutes, and we're setting our normal day session trading hours. So this is where it actually can use the day session trading hours even though the data coming in is 24 hours. Do OK. And there you go, there's your chart in there really nicely. But this is how quickly the data can change, because remember we actually had 1 minute data and 15-minute data. So if you now change to a 15-minute chart, you see it's almost instantaneous because that data is available. So within MTPredictor 8, it's intelligent. Basically, it will look at what data time frame you've requested and then have a look at what data is available and then make a decision on what is the best data to use, whether you can use the 15-minute data directly, or whether in this case if you want 3-minute, it will know that there's no 3-minute data but there is 1-minute data, therefore it'll use the 1-minute data and build the chart from that 1-minute data. So it's basically intelligent. Let's now open a DAX, because that was the one that I know is open at the moment. Let's again do that for 3 minutes. This time I'm just going to leave it on a 24/7 for the DAX. June, OK, and open up, and there's a DAX chart there, and we should see it ticking with real lifetime data. There you go, the chart's updating in real lifetime data there. So if I now bring the Market Analyser, back, there's the Market Analyser, and you can see here's our last price for the DAX, and it's changing tick for tick with our chart there. So in this way you can then add the time frames you wish, or some base time frames in NinjaTrader 8, and then have them available in MTPredictor version 8. Right, now what I'll show you what you have to do is, once this is set up, when you open up things the next day. So let's just close this down. Let's just save that layout. Let's do it as, whoops, can't spell, NinjaTrader 8. So we'll save that. I'll just come to the NinjaTrader 8 and I'll just close that and save the workspace. So everything's closed and taken down. So now everything's set up. When you open things up the next day, it's always best to open the data provider platform first. So in this case, it will be NinjaTrader 8. So if we open NinjaTrader up first and let that get the data there available for MTPredictor to read. Okay, we've got that one there again. We don't really need that. Let's pull up the Market Analyser. And there you can see the data's actually come in. Sometimes this takes a little bit of time to come in, and it's important to wait till it's all in. So if I do connections, open up there, you'll see that this will actually reload in a second. It will reload the data. There you can see it's reloading. So it's important to wait until all these columns have actually reloaded. So if you have a lot of columns in, you have to wait till they've actually been reloaded. In fact, let's actually add a few more in. Let's do a let's do a Forex instrument list. Let's select all. There's all the Forex ones. Let's quickly do a column here for for the the 15-minute chart. Let's do it 2000. We'll do it for 24/7. And there it is coming in there. So the important thing is to wait till all these columns have been populated. You can see there's one coming in there. So on all your market analyzers, wait till all these bars here have been populated, and sometimes that can take a bit of time when you're first opening NinjaTrader 8, because when you connect your data feed, basically it reloads the market analyzer. So once these are all here and available, we can now then open MTPredictor 8 again, open the prior workspace, and then that will open up, connect to the data feed, and there you can see there's our DAX chart as we had before. Let's now look at the Forex. Let's perhaps do a Market Analyzer, also I'm in a scanner, just very quickly to show you how to get the data in on the scanner. It's exactly the same. Let's do our Forex charts. Let's do it on 15-minute, and then we download, and there's all the data there available really quickly and easily. Let's just open a Euro chart, and you can see there's the Euro chart ticking away very nicely. But if you remember, in the Market Analyzer, for this we only had the 15-minute data, but because you can actually build higher time frames from different base time frames, here you can then now change it to like a 1 hour, and there you go, there's a 1 hour chart built from the 15-minute data. And as you can see, it's extremely quick to change time frames. So that's how you get data from NinjaTrader 8 into MTPredictor 8 by using our new external app data feed. But as I said during the video, when you start each day, it's important to open NinjaTrader 8 first, and then make sure that all these columns you have in here have all been loaded, and more importantly, once you've connected to your data feed, reloaded, because it takes some time to do that. Once they're all there and available, then you can open MTPredictor 8, connect your data feed, and then you can just follow your data just in the normal way. But in this case, the data is actually coming from NinjaTrader 8.